Hello, welcome to Gladstone's Avenue for Learning Endeavors. Today, I am going to discuss with an issue which is faced by majority of teachers who are engaging classes through online platform. Many are inquiring about how to mark attendance. This become a real tough job in between a 45 or 30 minutes class. I'm going to introduce an option for you to mark attendance automatically. For that purpose, you have to do some adjustments with the current browser which you are using. Go to https chrome.google.com/webstop. Then you will arrive at a screen like this. Google chrome.google.com webstop. There, in order to get an attendance, you have to type Google Meet attendance. Enter. You will end up with so many attendance options which are available that you can see on the right side. Here I got Google Meet attendance, attendance collector, Meet attendance, so many attendance patches which are available in the Google Chrome. You have to select Google attendance with this icon, Google Meet icon, so that will be get added into your Google Chrome browser. In my computer, it is already been installed. That is why I am not getting an add to Chrome button here. Here you can see add to Chrome button in another tool. In my cases, it is shown as added. In your case, if you are adding for the first time, you will get a symbol like this. Click on add to Chrome so that will get added into your Google Chrome. And after that, you can see an icon on the top. When you move the cursor and place it over the window, you can see Meet attendance collector there, that icon. Then as usual, use your browser to start a Google meeting. Keep in mind that this is not applicable for users who are using mobile phones for conducting Google Classroom meeting. Open the browser to start an Google Meet, meet.google.com. I have started a meeting with the 3 participants. Their names are shown here. What I have to do to mark attendance is that while taking attendance at a point of time, if you wish to take attendance, click on this particular icon which is present in the browser itself as extension. Click on there, you will end up with a window which shows different options. To mark attendance, you have to click on the refresh so that the attendance is marked for the participants who are available at present. In order to get the attendance, again click on the icon, strike download so that your new attendance will be downloaded. Double click on that will get opened in MS Excel in the CSV format so that you can record all these attendance in Microsoft Excel itself. When you open the attendance, you can see total 3 members are present. 1, 2, 3, their names are being listed here. First line which shows the person who have developed, the email ID of the person who have developed this particular extension, and the date and the time of the class. Everything are placed inside the details list itself. So every day you can take attendance like this, so that will get stored in a CSV file. You can keep it in your directory. At last you can compile it, and easily you can mark attendance for all online class sessions. I hope this may be much beneficial for the teachers who are really aspirant to engage online classes. Use it so that at least every day you can save 5 to 10 minutes devoting for taking attendance. Thank you so much for your patience in listening and understanding this particular concept. If you are happy with this information, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.